In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your chart not showing values in Canva. So currently I have this chart and its values should come from this table, but it's not showing any values. So to fix that, just click on your chart and then click on edit. And now in data, in the data tab, go to the y-axis. So my y-axis is based off of this column, which is sales. So this value could be very, very small and you don't know it. Right now it looks like this value is 1,200, this is 1,350, this one, etc. So this is what you see, but Canva probably has this in decimals. So you can check this by double clicking on this. As you can see, mine is very, very small, 1.2 only. So you can re-put this as 1200, and as you can see, values are starting to show, and this as 1350, and this as 1480, and this as 1600. These are the actual values of my table. But as you can see, these values have a lot of decimal places. As you can see, it has 3 decimal places. So to fix that, just click on the top. So where you see 1, 2, 3 or the color, click on that, and then right click, and then click on format. So over here in format, go down here to decimals, and then just click on this minus sign to decrease the decimal places. You can also change the style in which you see your numbers. So I like mine in just this first style, so make sure it's on the first style so you don't have this happen again. And then decrease the decimals. And yeah, your values should now look good and in proper order. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.